Thank you so much for watching my previous videos and like and sharing. So please subscribe my channel also. So let's start. And today our topic is how to test the APIs manually. So guys, this is the part two. Part one I have already uploaded. You can see on my YouTube channel. So let's start. So guys, basically what happened is developers provide us the APIs. API is just basically a method which we need to test. This is a parameterized method or without parameterized. So basically we need to test its functionality. They will describe what the function will do. So you will have to pass the parameters. They will provide the parameters, the URLs, and the method of this API. Each and everything will be provided to you, and they will guide you how you can test it. Then it's up to you how you test it. Then you have to give invalid data and valid data as well. So let's start. So suppose we have an application where we have suppose it's an application of a company where we create the employees details, where we save the employee details. So like suppose this is the API which provide us all the details of the employees. So what happens is developer provide us the APIs, this URL he will provide, and he will ask you to test it, and it will return you all the details of the employees. And you will have the database access where in the tables you will find all the details of the employees. So what basically you need to check is if you hit this URL, then in response you need to have all the details of the employees. So suppose this is a URL provided to you and no any parameters need to be sent in the request, just this method of the API, and you need to click on send button. So you can see that you got all the employee details like ID of employee name test 199 test 179. So these are all the employees which are existing, which exist in our database. So it have returned all the employees. So this was the functionality of this API, that if I want to fetch all the details of the all the employees, then they created this method. If we hit this URL, it will send to the server request and then to this particular method, and then this method will fetch all the details from the database and will return in the response. So this we need to test. So how we will test it? First of all, we will check with different methods if it accept or not. Like suppose I hit it with this post method, then it says method not allowed. So this is how we will check, and we will check the status 405 method not allowed error, then how much time it takes, then what are the, if we check with the correct method, then it should return the response. Then we will check and match with our database that it has returned all the employee details or not. Then we will check the status. It is 200 means it is okay, and how much time it is taking, around 1 second. And then in the response we will check what is the ID, if ID is correct or not, what is the employee name, if employee name ID is correct or not, if his salary returned from the database is correct or not, if employee age is correct or not, if any profile image is uploaded, then it is returning or not. So these things we need to check. So in the response we will check if it is coming an array or not. So he will define you what the response would look like. So if the response is clear to you, then you will start checking it. Then you will check what is the, suppose ID, it is a parameters and its value is this. So if it should be integer, then you will check it why it is in strings coming. So these are the things which you will check, like suppose the status, the time, and the response parameters with by giving different methods, or suppose you are giving anything any invalid parameters in the request. So if it is returning the C page not found, so you will check if the API is returning or any invalid or any confidential information, like it is returning the path of the directories or not. So this is how you need to check. So this will also cover your security testing through API. So these things, this is called URL manipulation. So these things need to be checked. And that's all for today. Thank you so much, guys. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you so much.